What is up, guys? This is your girl Jessica Catherine, and I'm coming to you guys with another video. This video is going to be a planting video because I'm in the middle of repotting some plants. I just repotted my dracaenas. There's 4 dracaenas here. I have 2 pink ones in the middle and 2 green ones on the side. They were in 4 individual pots, so I decided to put them in one pot for my bathroom, and this is the results. So I'm actually about to get started on my snake plants. I have 2 snake plants that I have to repot because they're busting through, and stay tuned. Funny thing, I got this snake plant specifically for protection over my home and certain things. And this is the plant that was in front of the front door. And I was just talking crap about this little leaf right here, but you never know what type of energy this plant might have absorbed from some F-tards coming to my house. Because there was definitely people at my house that did not deserve to be here. that was bad in mine. So, something to think about. But here she is. So, time to do plant number 2. On to my next hobby. I was actually about to get started on a piece. I was about to change this thread my bobbin, and I went to the bathroom and I saw my dracaenas and I was like, oh no. Oh no, no, no. And then I looked at my snake plants and I was like, let me fix my snake plants. Let today be the day. I still have one plant I need to refurbish, which is my dracendas. I said refurbish. If y'all are planters out there, y'all know what I'm talking about. You gotta refurbish something. But yeah, if you like this video, really like this video, if you want to comment below. Let me know some of your hobbies. I'm about to get started with sewing. I mean, I can show you guys, right, how I'm about to thread a bobbin. Maybe that'll be my next video, how I thread my bobbin. But I know I got this little table, but you know, humble beginnings. I haven't even made not one garment yet from scratch, even though I detailed a garment of mine, which I should show you guys actually. But yeah, later guys.